Hey subbies! Before we get started on today's video, I would love it if you would follow me on my social media. I will have it linked here on the screen, my Instagram and my Twitter. My Instagram is Comedy Creation and my Twitter is Comedy Addict. And I would really love it if you guys would hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload. Let's get into the video. Hey subbies! Today I'm going to share with y'all the outstanding reward of being organized. Being organized makes things so much easier, makes your life so much calmer, makes things go so much more smoothly. The first clip I would like to share with y'all is where I simply organize my bookshelf by the type of thing there that is on the shelf. Like, I will keep game systems on the bottom shelf, and I will then have the next shelf dedicated to video games, the one above that dedicated to movies, to make things so much easier to access and to locate. Just makes things so much better for everyone there, to make things easier to find. My next organizational tip is with my bookcase there that I have books on there, and my bookcase that I have books on, I organize that by books in a series. So every book there that has a series, like the ones in the clips that I'm going to show you, the series of unfortunate events, I have that in chronological order, books 1, 2, and 3. And I also have next to it, I have the Fudge series by Judy Blume, and on the bottom shelf I have the Babysitter's Club series. They're just to make things easier to find, because you know that what you're looking for is in that particular spot. Because of it being a part of the series, you know how much easier it's going to be to find something. A wonderful tip when it comes to organizing your YouTube life, when you're uploading your videos, a wonderful tip is to make playlists. This makes it so much easier to categorize your videos and for people to binge watch videos. Because we all enjoy binge watching, because it makes YouTube that much more fun, if that's even possible. The easiest way to do this that I have found is when you click on a video that you have uploaded, you'll see the 3 little dots there, and you click on it and it'll say create new playlist there. Once you've clicked on the dots there, it'll say add to playlist, and then you'll see a little blue plus button and the words that'll say create a new playlist. There you can name your playlist, select it to private or public, and you can add numerous videos to a playlist to make things easier, because they're going to be categorized by topic in the playlist. I hope this has really helped out your YouTube life to make it much more organized and very easy to make for easier organization of your videos, as well as to make things easier for people to watch if you make series videos as well, so they can just go right through the series like how people watch series on streaming services. The last organizational tip I'm going to share with y'all is when it comes to your smartphone. The easiest way that I found there to organize my smartphone, which is an iPhone 6s, is to create folders. To do this, you are going to drag an app on top of another app, and it'll create a white box behind it that will be the folder, and then once you've held down on an app in that folder, you can then change the name of the folder to whatever you would like it to be called. I've seen people name their apps with symbols. I've seen people actually space out the letters in the word to make it easier to see and just much more unique, to make it fit their aesthetic of their organizational flow there that works the best for them. I really hope these awesome organizational tips will have helped you out, because it's honestly outstanding to be organized. I love being organized. Heck, I live by it. I really hope there that you've enjoyed watching this video. Make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. I really enjoyed sharing these tips with y'all. I can't wait to read in the comments below what your favorite tips are to be organized. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you guys in my next video. Bye, subbies.